Okay, I'm going to share this because I just realized what's going on here. So this is the eighth, ninth time I've stitched out this design, so I know how it stitches. And I'm noticing that my stitches are really loose in here. And so something's definitely not right. Everything is threaded right. But my first go-to is actually going to be my bobbin because I know everything is right. So I'm going to open this up and let's see what might be going on in the bobbin. Okay, needed both hands to loosen my hoop, so I've taken my hoop. We've loosened it up. We're going to slide it out of the way. I'm guessing that there's probably going to be a thread down in the bobbin well, or my bobbin's about empty. Well, so the bobbin's getting close to being empty. Oh, yep, there's a thread down in the well. I can see it right here. So we're going to open this up. And actually, it's not a thread in the well. It is a bad bobbin. So this is a pre-wound bobbin. And as you can see, as it's unwound, there's a loop in it. And that's from where they were winding it. So that is the cause of the stitches going bad. I'm going to change bobbins, throw this one in the trash, put a new one in, and then we're going to restart stitching and we'll see the difference. Okay, new bobbin is in. I've run my things, or run the line through. We're going to put the tab back on. We're going to rehoop this, or put this back on the machine. See if I can show a little bit differently of how loose those stitches are in this, and that's not normal. It's normally very tight, very smooth. So we're going to put it back. We're going to start her back up. We'll let it go a few lines. And you can see it's already cleaning it up. So sometimes when there's an error, it's things you can't see until you start looking for them. But that's already cleaned up the stitches. They're nice and smooth. And so that's a good reason to look if your tension or your stitching just starts going bad. Okay, let this stitch out a little bit more. And as you can see how smooth the stitches are here compared to these. I'll pull this off and restart it. But just checking that bobbin and changing that bobbin out fixed this entire problem. So it happens. It's beyond our control sometimes, and you just kind of have to roll with it and start over. Hope this helps somebody.